Shit, Han! Oh my God. Hala, hala. Really?
Yes.
Guys, tignan nyo guys. It's a tile, guys. It's a real tiles. Oh, this is nice. This is nice for upstairs. This one right here. Like this is the same thing in the other house. You're filing stuff.
Okay, that's for your. You use that for still. That's. Oh, I blog.
Hala, Han.
Oh, look. Hello, what?
Nothing.
No. Good morning, Philippines.
Tingnan niyo na. Good morning daw. Sabi niya, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Mama. Good morning. Look at that position. What a princess. Say good morning, princess. Good morning, princess. Good morning. Don't give me that bad luck. Don't give me that bad luck. Bukok yan guys. Uy, hindi yan pakikla. Pakikla. Tingnan mo yung tingin. What kind of position is that? Hmm? What is that? Goodness. I love you so much. Good morning. Yung ilong ko is masakit na naman. Ayan, parang bread. Ito yung gusto niya. Rye bread. Yan yung gusto niya. Nya, neng, unsa pa, neng? Kalibang na ka? What? Ito yan, guys. Kunin na natin yung egg. Dalawang itlog ni Tammy.
What?
Para hindi siya mag-overcook. Kasi ayaw niya yung itlog niyang ma-overcook. Gusto niya yung parang lanay-lanay pa rin. Ako gusto ko yung cook. Gusto ko matigas. Matigas na yung egg yolk ba? Mga utak talaga. Ay, nako talagang buhay na to. Nagtotoast ako ng bread sa amin. Lutuin ko to para sa biyanan ko kasi para di na magluto si Tammy mamaya. Yun. And may naghihintay. Hey, what are you looking under there? Bag? Bag? Uy, yeah. Coffee time. Ano talaga. Ayan, coffee time kami. Ito, tignan natin to. Oops, hala, bubuto yan, bubuto. Hala, bubuto yan. Bumurot, guys. I think okay na to. Hala. Ang daming ibon dun. Good morning. Katatapos ko lang naligo. And nanonood si Tammy ng movie ni Arnold Schwarzenegger, yung bago niya, yung latest niya na ano. And then ako ngayon dito mag-ano lang ako. Ray Dissenting. Hindi ko na to nagagamit, guys. Itong Maybelline na ano, Superstay. Kasi naobserbahan ko siya, parang sobrang puti lang siya sa akin. Or kailangan lang talaga ng lighter shade. Ano ba tong shade? Natural beige. Katulad lang ito ng shade nito. Natural beige nitong L'Oreal at saka Maybelline. Yeah, pare sila ng color. Neutral beige. And ito is darker. I like this one and I like this one. Pero ito siya, pag nilagay ko sa mukha ko, guys, para siyang maging later on, maging parang sobrang white. I-mix nga natin. I-try natin i-mix. I-mix natin. Yan. Yan siya, guys. Madami-dami yung nilagay ko nito. Nito kasi siya. Yan. Yan, may pagka-light talaga siya. Yan, may pagka-light yung sa ibabaw. Iba siya, parang hindi talaga siya mag-mix, guys. Parang oil and water. Kaloka naman ito. So, ito yung ginagamit ko, guys, palagi. Ginaganon ko lang siya sa mukha ko. Yun. I think marami yung nalagay ko sa kamay ko. So, hindi na ako gumagamit ng sponge. Kasi maganda itong brush. Ito yung brush na B is small. Engage, you know, face angled, ano. Klaro na yung buhok dito ko, oh. Kailangan ko na yung i-wax. Contour tayo ng ilong. Konti lang. Para hindi tayo maging si Pinocchio looking fakey. And ito yun siya guys. Gamit na gamit ko to. Ito talaga. Ito hindi ko sila nagagamit. Ang sobra namang UI namang. Ang UI na kasi ng mga color nito. Oh. Magagamit ko to kapag nag-film. At ito pang lakad. Kasi hindi siya UI ba. Ito yung bibilin gamitin natin. The City Mini Palette ito. Konti lang kasi para hindi tayo maging si Dracula. May time na gusto kong mag-makeup. May time na ayaw ko. Ganun lang. Maganda yung color nito, guys. Look. 4 itong color na andito sa akin. Pero, hindi ko talaga, I don't know why binili ko to. Hindi ko talaga alam bakit binili ko itong purple. Si Believer. Pero, bye-bye! Hala, hala! Oh my God, you're crying. Come here. He's crying when I get out. He's so happy when I get out. Oh, you're too happy. Huh? Hi, Diop. You cannot go over there. My baby just got out from shower. You wanna see? You want to see?
She jumped up and ran.
I hear them.
Come on.
Do you wanna go inside? Okay, come here. Be a good girl. Come here. Come. Be nice, huh? Huh? Be nice. Don't scratch the chair. Tempered. She just wanna know that she is welcome over there. Look at her. I will eat, guys, before we go. Because every time we go out, somebody's hungry. Tommy is always whining. He's whining every time we go out. And then he said, "Han, let's go. I'm hungry. I'm passing out, honey. I'm dying." It's me, guys. I don't know why, guys. It's already, hello, what is that? It's already 12 o'clock, hon.
Yes.
We have to do rush. Oh, that's why she's whining. She want dry food. Come here, let's go get dry food, Dims. Dimple. Hello, over. You're really fast, Dimple. Huh? Oh, Hobbs is in there?
Yeah, because I closed it so that Rocky didn't go in there and work out.
Ay, gee. Alis lang kami, guys. And babalik later. Kumain na yung biyanan ko ng breakfast. Balik siya tulog. Kasi, alam na. Pagod yan palagi. Kailangan ko ng ID. Ang una namin gawin is punta kami sa Western. Hindi online, guys. Kasi kaloka. Ito yung suotin ko kasi gusto ko to. It's a nice color. At sabi pa ni Tami, hindi man daw masyadong ginaw. 39, maginaw pa rin. Pero hindi masyadong yung talagang parang windy din. We're using my car. Using. Yes, there. You know your computer is gonna go bad in the cold.
It's not water, it's like oil.
What is that? Is laptop there's no oil, huh?
The screen in your laptop, it's got liquid in it. You know that, right?
Oh, really?
Sure, she's
So why you're not worried about yours?
It's an oil base. It doesn't freeze really easily. It's not like water. How do you not know that?
Han, I don't know that, Han. Guys,
You watch too, huh? You watch liquid crystal.
guys, you don't know this, guys? Tommy just told me that your laptop there is an oil over there in the screen. Ah, that's why every time you touch it, there's kind of like a color thing. Like it's like a line of color.
Yeah.
It's an oil. Holy cow! Why they put oil in the laptop?
It's called liquid crystal display. You see what the liquid word means?
Are we gonna go?
Yes.
Let me open the garage. You finally do. It's your sound all the time here. It's your cell phone cuts up the car. Mine is not. What's wrong? Because yours is the first one. You are the one who used this car first.
Maybe. That's making way too much noise.
And doesn't go close for that side there. It doesn't. No, that side in here. It doesn't go down. I have to push it.
The side of the door?
Yeah, if you go inside, you can see it. It's like a crack like this.
So it's crooked.
Yeah. Guys, Tommy is planning to get a hook nails. He said the hook nails for our fence because the screen of our fence is like opening. Luckily, Tommy noticed it that the dog, you know, if the dog can get out, he says. And now he said that we're gonna buy a nail, you know, to bagbag the ano ba to hold the screen. Yeah, and I told him he can use the ano pako ba yung nails.
Yeah,
Regular nail. And then he said how that can help to hold the screen.
Yeah, because you want to bend it over and make it look.
Yeah, I said that you have to bawg it. I don't know what's the English of, you have to kind of like bend. And I said you have to bawg it. Talaga.
I could use a stable gun,
Yeah, you have it.
Yeah, but then I gotta bring the compressor outside, run a long extension, long air hose. It's more trouble than it's worth.
Horse nails, whatever that you're saying. In the Philippines, guys, we just kind of like tied it. We have to. Why we cannot just tie it?
Tie it to what?
To hold the thing.
Really?
It's like we don't need to spend money. Everything is have a solution.
Tie it? With string? Or you gonna tie it with wire? Then we gotta buy a wire.
Entrance door. Hala! Shit, hon! Oh my god. Oh, that's a big bird. Oh my god.
But he didn't get enough height quick enough.
Yeah, he fly.
Birds get whacked by cars.
That's why bird die.
Yeah.
Because they're in the side road, guys, and then they decide to fly, and then they cannot fly high quick because it's a big bird. Almost hit the window, the glass.
That's why I slowed down because I knew he wasn't gonna get the height.
Oh my god. Home Depot, guys. We're at Home Depot. It's a nice Audi, right? Nice car. Home Depot. We are at Home Depot. Maybe we have furniture. I like this. Nice too. Is this
tile? It looks like wood.
hala, really?
Yes.
Guys, tignan nyo, guys. It's a tile, guys. It's a real tiles. This is too. This one too. No, this one is not.
What?
This one is not.
No, this is wood. This is. Well, this is.
Hala, tiles too.
This one is tiles. These are all tiles.
Hala, guys, tingnan nyo, guys. May mga tiles na mga parang wood. Han, you can feel it also, Han. It's rough.
And the fact that they grout in between.
Hala, nice dog. Look
You
at
don't grout
that.
in between. Yeah.
Nice dog. Hala, oh, guys, it's tiles, guys. Oh, yeah, look, it's peeled off. It's just coating. But this is so nice, guys. Oh, I love that kitchen, guys. Cabinets color. Han, I really like the color.
Maybe in the back.
Nice color. Han, do you like this color? I like it. Oh, this is nice. This is nice for upstairs. This one right here. Ang ganda nito, guys. Ang ganda. Gusto ko yan. Oh, guys, this is what Tommy said, guys. Look at the nails. Look, bawg siya, guys. Yan siya, guys. Kaya pala ito yung gustong Taming wilhin. That's what Tommy is for. Which one is the nice? Which one? Okay, then.
These are way big.
That's too big. What's how much is the difference? How many it's inside?
365.
300 plus.
Yeah.
And what is this? For this? For what? Bolt for what? Isn't that gonna go to the wood?
It doesn't go to. You go to a hole. You put it through the hole. It's got a square cut in there, so it's just like this, and then you put a nut on the other side.
Ah, it's a nutty person asking. Plano namin, guys, ito, pero I don't know that one. You don't like that one? It's expensive, right? Ito, guys, 20 bucks. It's strong naman siya. Para sa basement ba, ilagay namin yung leather sa pusa, yung pupuan nila. Pero
If it's the real one on sale, you tell me it's not something else.
binalik namin siya, guys, ito kasi akala namin 19, 30 plus pala kamahal. So ang kukunin namin is yung andon, 20 meters daw, yung black na doon. May rubber naman siya sa So, yun na lang yung anuhin namin. Kung sa Pilipinas pa guys, hagdanan yung gamitin nila. Dito, machine, look. Machine yung gamitin nila. Pero doon sa Pilipinas, hagdanan. Hagdanan. Okay guys, for 3 hours guys. Dito kami sa Dollar Tree guys. Dito marami silang mga, ang kalat naman dito eh. Marami silang pang decoration ng mga, dito. Decoration. Meron sila dito. Mga fake flowers. Dami. Mura lang oh. Guys, naalala nyo to guys. Curler, ganito. Ang saya ng mga ibon. Ang saya nila guys. Tignan nyo guys. Where's the car? The car is right here. There's a lot of them. Look at that. Look at her. Look at that guys. It's so hot. Andito pa rin ako sa sasakyan. Doon kayo sa sa Tiilan. Sa Tiilan. So, si Tami is, andun si Tami sa, nag-stop na naman si Tami sa guys, Burger King. Andito na naman siya sa Burger King, kaloka. Sabi pa niya, Burger King daw. Sabi ko, hindi ako kakain. Orderan mo na lang ako ng spicy nuggets. 3 order. Imukbang ko yan lahat. Kaloka talaga tong si Tami. Mahilig sa Burger King.
Make sure everything is in there.
What did you order?
2 Whoppers, 2 fish sandwiches.
Okay, and
2
nuggets.
2 double cheeseburgers.
Okay, oh my god, a lot. Total over here.
I have
And
6
then-
burgers altogether in there.
6 burgers?
Wow.
Ito talagang si Tami mag-order ng hindi titignan bago alis doon. Ang daming in-order kasi. Sila lang dalawa kakain. So ngayon, bumalik siya doon. Ayaw niya yung mga ganun, yung mga balik-balik. What happened? You left it there. Huh?
I already realized it. Inside now.
What is that noise?
What, puppy? What, puppy?
4 o'clock already.
Yeah, good.
She doesn't even know.
Yeah, so we're up. You guys breakfast.
Akala niya 4 o'clock in the morning. Yun. Kasi siya, kapag natutulog, every time na magising siya, dahil pagod, akala niya umaga. Kakain na naman siya ng egg and coffee. Tulog na naman, akala niya umaga. 4 o'clock na guys, hindi nagla-lunch na sila. May tumawag sa akin. Who is it? Youngers. Maraming tumatawag sa akin. Tingnan nga natin. I-answer nga natin. Next time, I will answer. Somebody will call me because there's a lot of scammer every time. I want that to be recorded. Kapag may mga tumatawag sa akin scammer. Kasi maraming tumatawag sa akin ng mga hindi ko lang nare-record. Yung, for example, yung tax mo. Ipipirisuhin ka na. Yung tax daw. Ang dami kasi, oh my god. Ang dami kasing mga sa tax guys, yung mga scam. Na meron daw akong utang. At saka yung gobyerno daw, i-arestuhin na daw ako. Ganun. Mga scam ba? Gusto kong ma-record yan one day.
Mushy. You have to heat them in a toaster.
Toaster, yeah. I will mukbang it tomorrow. Oh my god, you have tons of them already. Like this is the same thing in the other house. You're filing stuff.
Okay, that's for your. You use that for still. That's.
Magluluto na tayo guys kasi it's 6 o'clock na. Babalik lang namin. We just get in from outside. What we did outside, bebe? He's smoking, guys.
We attach the fence.
We attached the fence because what you see this morning. Because what you see this morning.
Yeah. Because the fence was down and the animal could just walk in here and attack these dogs.
But look, he is smoking. He puff for few puff, and then after that, he put it down. Look, he puff, and then he get a new one.
Oh, that'll smoke
He
it up,
doesn't
yeah.
use the other color.
Tell me how much pack of cigarettes in New York is.
What?
Tell
How
me
much?
In New York City, $15 a pack.
$15 a pack. How much is that in peso?
Well, $1 is what?
51.
51. So multiply that by 15.
How much is it?
Okay, so it's 750.
750? For a pack? Isa ka kaha, guys. Isang kaha ng sigarilyo, guys. 750, guys. Crazy people, stop smoking like you. Huy. That's a lot of money, guys.
I can't talk. If you're looking for powder, it should be on the other side on the bottom.
Guys, Tommy is not a good vlogger. You should be like not regular life. Like
I'm not a good blogger. I don't know. What the heck?
what the
Do I
heck?
blog?
Halahan.
Oh, look. How about what?
Nothing.
No?
Look.
Okay, so there's going garlic. No onion. There's another garlic over here.
No onion. Where is the garlic?
There's one on the door. Look down, down. Close it. Now look down.
I see that, but I don't need another garlic.
I said there's another garlic on the door.
Yeah, but I'm looking for palayo dito ba? Padoon. Palayo ba? Pag palayo.
I don't know. I'm trying to see the bottom, but I can't close it.
No more. There's no. We don't have
No
it.
onion powder?
Ay, you know what? Andrea got in this small pack. Right, come here. What is this? Onion. Onion.
Yeah, that's really tiny.
Andrea got me that.
Okay. See, and we were just at the place, and I asked you. No, I got lots and lots and lots and lots.
Right, when? When did you ask me?
2 weeks ago?
Magluluto lang ako, guys, and magbe-bake. And then that's Tommy's face when he's vlogging. Ito yung lamb, guys. Lamb, ang bigat. Dimples, no. So, luckily, my sister-in-law got me this. You know, they sell this for like since like not even $1. In the daytime, you cannot see her. It's so weird. She she's.
Look at this window. She's like.
I know. I see. Yeah, I know. She is part of the background. She's part of the background, guys. You cannot even see, guys. Okay, guys. Okay, I'll stop here. Find her, guys. You cannot find her.
Where's Waldo?
You cannot find her, right? She's somewhere right there. Look at her. Look. She is like the part of the leaves and the grass. Look at her, guys. Look at her. That's her. Roxy. A little oil. A lot of garlic. Yun, nabuil ko na si yung string beans. May konting oil dito. Looks like a lot, right? But kunti lang talaga yung nilagay ko. Looks like a lot, but not. Hala, somebody's counting money, guys. Hala. I hope you count it before. You just take the money and you don't count it yourself.
No, I counted it. Oh, he was counting it.
And let's put the garlic. Oh, the Inday. Ang bango. I did like. And this is what Filipino does. Every time we cook, we like happy, singing, and yeah, it's from the heart cooking.
Okay.
But if the people that we don't like eating this, what the fucking thing, cooking here, shit, like this, oh my god, I don't like this. But because you love the person that you're feeding, ang bango-bango, ang ubango ba ng bulaklik. He doesn't even understand what I'm singing. Huh?
Why is there a hole in this leaf?
Why there's a hole in the slip?
In the leaf.
I don't know, man.
You got a bug came in here and got that? And if so, where's the bug?
Maybe it's been like that.
Well, then you should notice it, right? There's a big hole.
I don't know. And you should wake her up. She's not going to just keep sleeping. Tonight she will be awake and... Yeah, I'm gonna add more. Yun guys, tapos na guys. Ito lang yung dinner namin guys. Ito siya, potato and lamb. Dito matutulog si Bianan.
I'll probably change back into what I wore coming here. Before I can leave these here because I'm gonna wash.
Yeah, but you're not leaving yet, right?
No, but otherwise I have one less pair of pants.
When are you gonna leave?
Because the black ones I gotta take back to me because I use them more.
Han, you cannot just decide to stay here and then start watching a TV and you don't have to sleep. Matulog din ako maaga guys kasi nagdesisyon ako na sabi ko kay Tami na nandito na lang matutulog si Bianan para ako na lang maghatid. Kasi naobserbahan namin every Wednesday ayaw niyang pumunta sa ano niya So, ihatid ko siya bukas maaga. Aalis kami dito, alas 8. And then, doon ako hanggang kunin ko siya. Then, uwi ako. Mga late na. Little boy. Little boy. Tosh, what, you're looking at yourself over there? You do? You do?
Emerald City Comic-Con kicks off this Thursday, and we are...
Hey, little man.
It'll be full of amazing guests, but I've got my eyes on...
Dimples. Where's Dimples on?
Because she left.
Because she thought you're going to the...
Oh, now she doesn't go with treats.
Just give them treats now for night-night
Okay.
treats and that's it.
Okay, let's do the
Don't forget the Sapphire Wire is
Okay.
all access pass and the ECC.
Jesus.
You are such a boy, little man.
Okay, Jesus. Okay.
Okay guys, punta ako sa taas and natanggap ko na yung letter from USCIS tungkol sa green card ko. Andito na siya. Pasensya na guys, hold on ha, kasi hindi pa pala siya. Akala ko appointment na siya. Kapag mag-renew ka pala ng green card ng 10 years, siya? Magbayad ka 450, 540 lahat. And then, online process. So, online mo siya, fill up yung form, isend mo sa kanila. And then, yun. Pagkatapos niyan, hintayin mo na, guys. Hintayin mo, pagkatapos magbayad ka doon. Dapat kumpleto lahat yung mga pinipilapan mo. Dapat alam mo lahat kung ano yung pinipilapan mo para hindi na nila ibalik sa'yo yung pera kapag may mali-mali. So, kapag mali ka talaga, impas yung pera mo. Dapat talaga, yung kung ano man yung pinipilapan mo, dapat sigurado ka na yun yung talagang dapat ilagay dun. Pagkatapos mo nang mag-file online, maghintay ka lang ng appointment nila. May account ka sa USCIS, and then doon ka mag-check kung meron ng appointment, and then padalhan ka din nila ng letter na yung appointment kung kailan, anong oras, saan, anong ganun. And then after that, ang dalhin mo lang is yung green card mo, yung ID, and yung appointment letter. So yun lang yun. Ang gagawin sa'yo is mag-fingerprinting doon, magpa-fingerprint, picture. Yun lang, picturean ka para sa ID. Another 10 years na naman yun. So, yun lang guys. I will let you know. Iwan ko kung kailan, pero yun. And I will end this vlog. Tommy's here. Tomorrow morning, early tayo. Punta sa dialysis. Ihatid natin si Bianan. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye-bye. Kalimutan ko yung cellphone ko sa baba. Mag-bye-bye lang tayo. Sakay Tommy.
Chewing? What are you chewing?
We're going to see if Medicare covers next wheelchair in the trap. Hi, guys.
Not just slide. Polar bears nurse their cubs for almost 8 months.
I'm just gonna continue my thing, okay?
Her baby a new home every
Yeah.
night.
Relax, son, okay? Bye, guys. Bye-bye.
Thought you were sitting on the Legoland.